Hello folks, this is Naeem Aslam, Chief Market Analyst at AvaTrade, and welcome to our daily fundamental video analysis. A lot is happening in the financial markets today. First of all, let's begin by looking at the gold chart. It has made 11 years high. Remember, in our technical analysis video, we've talked about this several times, that there are serious prospects of gold prices crossing our target of 1850. Now, as you can see in the chart, gold prices have already above the 1850. Now, the question for a trader is, where do we go from here? For me, I think the most important thing is not the 1900, but in fact, it is all about the all-time high, the 1921, which was formed back in 2011. The precious metal rally, especially the precious metal rally, isn't only for gold, it is also for silver as well. Why? Because silver prices are also at 6-year high. So we're seeing this tailwind in the commodity space for both of these two precious metal, gold and of course silver as well. In the traditional equity market, in the stock market especially, what we're seeing is that first of all, the S&P 500 index has recovered all of its coronavirus losses, meaning the S&P 500 index is back in the positive territory. As you can see in the chart, the momentum is still very much skewed to the upside. Bulls are still very much supporting this rally. So the two major concepts what we can take away from here is that the stock market rally is still holding on to its gain, and of course there's an enormous amount of momentum in the gold prices as well. But the question is why we are seeing this correlation between the two. Well, of course there are an enormous amount of geopolitical concerns among investors, the ongoing escalation in geopolitical tensions between US and China, and of course the UK is also escalating tensions with China as well. So I think all of that is really making investors question whether this stock market rally is really going to continue. Speaking of this continuity of the stock market rally, traders are concerned about the outcome of the second stimulus package, which is currently being discussed in Congress. The current chatter indicates that it is highly unlikely that we will receive the second stimulus check or the second stimulus package in time, meaning by the end of this particular month when the US jobs protection program is going to expire. But we never know, because these are always the last minute thing. These are always the last minute decision. So perhaps we do get something by the end of this month. But until then, I think the investor enthusiasm has started to fade away. This is the reason, as you can see in the chart, the Dow Jones index is retracing from its highs. But this retracement in the Dow Jones index, which may, if I may add, can continue for the next few days because of this stimulus talks which is taking place in Washington, could be an opportunity. Why? Because the moment that we get a green light, the stock market rally is really likely to continue its journey to the upside. That's all for today, and see you guys tomorrow.